Imagine creating animated movies from images in seconds. All these videos you see are created using a free AI tool. Unlike other AI tools, using this AI to create your animation requires no time, no effort, and no specialized skills. So, let's get right into the process of creating this video.
There ain't a man alive who can touch my button. If I had one, you wouldn't be able to locate it. Can't no man knock me out. I'm tired of being humble. I'm tired of letting people think they got a chance. The tribal chief is head and shoulders above everybody. This is my show. This is my camera.
The video you just watched is generated with Viggle, a free AI tool. To use this tool, type Viggle on our web browser. Once you join the Discord channel, you get here. You need to select among many of these animation channels available. Then type /mix here and select this. Move here to upload your image. After uploading your image, do the same here to upload your reference video. This is the video that Viggle AI will use to animate your character. Next, type green here for the background. You will often need a green background in your videos. It is simple because you can easily replace them with any other background. Don't worry, in the end, I'll show you how to replace the green background with any other background you choose. For fine-tuning, it can either be on or off. On means you will get higher quality video. I guess you must have come across this type of animation. This is how it's been done. Click here and select this link to explore available Viggle motion captions. You can see there are so many presets, so feel free if you want to put yourself on stage, dance, or do some workouts. Next, submit your video by clicking the Enter key. Your video will take no time to process. To download the video, use this search box to pull up your video by searching your Viggle username. Click here to download the video. After downloading the video, it's time to edit it in CapCut. We just want to remove the video background and replace it with another. First and foremost, input your video background before inputting your video into the timeline. I'll click here to change the video resolution to 16:9. Now, select your video and go over here to remove the background. Then, select the chroma key and use the eyedropper tool to select the green color and cut it out. Simply increase the intensity of this slider to remove the background. For my background, I'll scale it so it can fit the entire video resolution. Then, move over to the end of the background, add an animation keyframe. Scale it right to about this level. Once satisfied, move your timeline to the start of the image and reduce the animation keyframe value. This will give your video a smooth look since we are using an image as a background. But if you want to use a video as a background, there will be no need to add animation keyframes to your background. After everything is done, click the export button to save your video and start sharing.